and growing patterns. So we've got a pattern up here that we've got term 1, term 2, term 3, and term 4. So when we're thinking about it that, we always refer to the terms as our x values. So where I've got term number, I'm just going to put a x. And likewise, if that means x, we also know that when we are referring to the number of tiles in relation to each of the terms, we refer to that as our y. So I'll just put y here. And it's really important to understand that relationship because in the end we do use it with algebra. So to start off, I'm just going to look at my term 1 and I've got 4, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 tiles. Then I look at the relationship with my term 2 and I've got 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 tiles. Then I move on to term 3 and I've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Finally, I'm going to look at my term 4 and I've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Okay, so I know I've got 28. This helps me out because if I just want to keep going with my table, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if I keep going with my table, I need to look at the pattern. Now I can see straight away each time my pattern is going up by 6. So I'm adding 6 each time. So 22 plus 6 is 28. So each time I just need to keep on adding 6. Let's do that. 28 plus 6 is 34. 34 plus 6 is 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. And 46 plus 6 is 52. So we've found our relationship, which helps us come up with our pattern. But what happens if I had to ask for you to tell me how many tiles is going to be for term number 100? It makes it a lot harder, and this is why we need to look at algebra. So, the first thing I think about is my function machine. Now, we've got our input and we've got our output. So, our input is our x value and our output is our y value. So if we are thinking about it like that, we need to think about what are we doing to x to get it to y. So the first thing I look at with my first input of number 1, I always look at the pattern. Because it's going up plus 6, it means it's got groupings. So I need to times it by 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. And then I go, what else do I need to do to get it to 10? Well, for starters, I just need to add 4 plus 4. So then I double check that rule. And I go to my next term, which is x is 2. If x is 2, I know it's going up by 6. I'm just timesing it by 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. If I plus 4, I get to 16. And 16 was my output. So this gives us our rule of to get output, we need to, just so I make that clearer, to get output, we need to start with input and we times it by 6 and then plus 4. But we need to put this rule into algebra. So y equals x times 6 is 6x. We put a number first. And anytime they are together, a number is together with a algebraic letter, it means they're multiplying. Plus 4. Now that we've got the equation, we are able to have a go at solving for the term of 100. So if I go y equals, my x is 100, 6 times 100 plus 4. Well, 6 times 100 is 600, plus 4 is 604. And that gives us our number of tiles for the 100th term.